Today we're going to look at improper fractions and mixed numbers and how to convert an improper fraction into a mixed number. Have a look at the two fractions on the screen. Which one is the improper fraction? That's right, 3/2 is an improper fraction because the numerator is larger than the denominator. An improper fraction can be changed into a mixed number. A mixed number is a number that has a whole part and a fraction part. So let's look at 3/2. How many halves do we have? That's right, we have 3 halves. You can see in my diagram we have 1 half, we have 2 halves, and we have 3 halves. We can write 2 halves as 2/2, which is the same as saying 1 whole one. And then we can write our extra half as a half. So you can see that 3/2 is the same as 1 whole one and a half. So we can write this as a mixed number as 1 and 1/2. Another way to think about it is to think about how many 2's there are in 3. We need to know this because 2 halves make a whole one. So how many 2's are there in 3? Yes, that's right. There is 1 2 in 3 with 1 left over. So 3/2 is the same as saying 1 whole one and 1 extra half. So as a mixed number, we say it as 1 and a half. Let's look at 9/4 now. So that's 9/4. Let's think, how many 4's are there in 9? Now, why do we need to know that? Well, we need to know that because 4/4 make 1 whole one. So by finding how many 4's are in 9, we're finding how many whole ones there are in the fraction. So, how many 4's are there in 9? Yes, that's right. There are 2 4's in 9. So we have 2 whole ones. And there is 1 left over. So we have an extra quarter. So 9/4 as a mixed number is 2 1/4. Have a think about these on your own. You can pause me while you work it out and then come back and check whether you have the right answer. So 11/3 can be written as 3 2/3. This is because there are 3 3's in 11 and there are 2 left over. So we know 3/3 make a whole one. So therefore 3 3's, we have 3 whole ones and we have our 2/3 extra. So as a mixed number, it's 3 2/3. 13/5 as a mixed number is 2 whole ones and 3/5.